Welcome to Dave Marshall's new and improved Bean Counter website that provides free accounting and bookkeeping education and training. It is hard to believe his website is almost 25 years old.
Is the site still free?
All the online bookkeeping courses and tutorials are still free.
What is improved?
The tutorials have smaller lessons, additional information, additional quizzes, and videos added to aid you in understanding bookkeeping.
Are there any new bookkeeping courses and tutorials?
A total of 13 online free accounting and bookkeeping tutorials and courses are now offered on the Bean Counter website. 10 of the courses were designed and written by yours truly, Dave Marshall, the Bean Counter. Like the old Beatles song, he got a little help from a friend, not actually a friend, Professor Alldredge for 2 courses, Cost Accounting Basics and Financial Accounting Basics, and 1 course, Financial Accounting, provided by Lumen Learning. The original bookkeeping tutorials. So, you want to learn bookkeeping. Tutorial Chart of Accounts, tutorial. Special Journals, tutorial. Cash tutorial, Inventory, tutorial. Payroll tutorial, new courses and tutorials. Dave's new courses, Computer Accounting tutorial. Financial Statement Analysis, tutorial. Bookkeeping. Explained Course Bookkeeping Basics, course. Other new courses, Financial Accounting Basics course provided by Professor Alldredge. Cost Accounting Basics course provided by Professor Alldredge. Financial Accounting course Lumen Learn.
Did Dave add any additional bookkeeping learning materials?
Yes, he did. He added the following: Questions and Answers section, Quick Bookkeeping Insights, Learning Aids, additional accounting and bookkeeping videos, more quizzes and tests, a bookkeeping practice set to learn by doing. Thanks for checking out Bean Counter. Here is a summary of what Bean Counter now provides. Accounting and bookkeeping tutorials. Accounting and bookkeeping courses. Accounting and bookkeeping. Quick insights. Accounting and bookkeeping guides. Accounting and bookkeeping textbooks. Accounting and bookkeeping cheat sheets and learning aids. Bookkeeping quizzes and exams. Bookkeeping skills. Testing. Accounting and bookkeeping. Glossary. Additional sites. Providing accounting help. Job searches. Bookkeeping video lectures. Accounting questions and answers. Individual and small business taxes.